morning, 7th graders. I hope you guys are doing well. Now that the weather is nice, it's a little more enjoyable to be outside, go for bike rides, do that sort of thing. This week, 7th graders, we are covering lesson 23, and we're just moving on to the imperfect passive and the future passive voice. So we'll take a look at those, and then we'll take a look at our vocab for this unit. Okay, 7th graders, so if we look at the first conjugation passive voice, now we have it in the imperfect tense and in the future tense. And fortunately, this isn't very different from the present tense. So let's take a look at those imperfect endings. They should be pretty familiar. Bar, baris, batur, bamur, bamini, bantur. And you guys can say those to get those down too. First of all, note that they have the BA. The BA will always tell us that it's imperfect. And then the endings really aren't any different. We have the R for the first person, ris, tour, more, many, tour. And then instead of saying I was loved, we use the imperfect. Imperfect means it's going to end in ing. It sounds a little clunkier to make it passive. You have to say I was being loved. You were being loved. He, she, it was being loved. Let's take a look at the future tense then. First of all, notice the BO here. Here we have a BE, that's a little different. BI, 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 BU. So the one that you got to watch out here is the second person singular. Let's go through those. Bor, beris, bitur, bimor, bimini, buntur. So again, very similar. We have the bo. Here is a little different. Eris. Just because the IRIS is a little awkward in Latin, they change it to beris to make it sound a little more natural to the mouth. And we have bitur, bimini, bimor, bimini, buntur. Again, very similar to what we know. Let's take a look at our new vocab for this lesson. So these are all second declension masculine words, so the gender is not going to be a problem for these. And these words are actually pretty simple too. So we have animus, that's for mind or spirit. We get the word animal from that. Animals have spirits, that's why they can move. Barbarus, barbari, right? That's actually from the word beard. The barbarians didn't shave, so they were the bearded ones. Then we have Christianus, that should look like Christian because it is. Discipulus, that's where we get the word disciple. Disciple is a student. Gladius, that's where we get the word sword. Also where the word gladiola comes from, and gladiator. Legatus, legati, lieutenant is connected to that from French. Oculus, oculi, eye. Right, Google came out with the Oculus a little while ago. That was for looking directly onto a screen attached in front of your eye. Populus, people, that's where we get population or popular. Romanus, Romani, that's from Roman. And socius, soci, right, social, ally, someone who you're in society with and is friendly. Okay guys, I hope you're doing well. Stay safe out there, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon.